Today I'm going to show you how I make my paratha roti, or bus-up shots as we call it here in Trinidad and Tobago. And today's paratha roti, I'm actually making it particularly to make a dessert. So definitely look out for that link. It will be posted down below in the description box. That dessert is called Melida and it's usually made around Eid. It is my favorite dessert for Eid and I look out for it every year. I love Melida. So you want to knead your dough very soft and sticky for your paratha roti. And paratha roti is actually one of the main, it is in fact the main ingredient to make Melida. So I am kneading enough dough so that I will have 2 extra rotis that I can eat with a delicious dish, but the extra 2 I am going to use to make my Melida. So be sure to look out for that link, which will be posted down below in the description box. And of course guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button and share it, and let me know if you try any of my delicious recipes. As always guys, all the ingredients that I'm using in this video will be posted down below in the description box in the exact order in which I'm using it to make it easy for you to try it. And of course, once you are working with a very soft sticky dough, make sure that you use sufficient oil on your hands so the dough doesn't stick to your hands and it will be easy to work with. And of course, because this is a very soft dough, when you are rolling your dough out, just take your time. You may have to use generous amount of flour so that it doesn't stick to the surface, but it definitely is an easy recipe. Just take your time, and after your first roti, you will get the hang of it, and the other 3 or how much ever you choose to make, it is going to get easier. So use your first roti as your test trial, and then you can continue. You'll be a professional by the second roti, I swear. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and it is easy for you guys. Please let me know if you do try it. Send me photos, and don't forget you can actually find me on Instagram and on Facebook. Just search Deepa Yankaran and you will find me on my other social media platforms. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, again, make sure and subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Bye guys.